It is a pleasure that you are with me again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: dementia in pets, dog and cats. Let's start. We all know that dementia affects many people, but our pets can also suffer from something very similar. Our pets can't get dementia in the same way as humans, but what they do get is similar in many ways. Our pets actually have something called Cognitive Dysfunction Syndrome, which is commonly considered pet dementia. It's a little harder to recognize dementia in pets, but there are signs you can watch for as your pet ages. As with people, it is more common in older pets, and young pets are unlikely to get it. What is dementia in pets? Pet dementia affects aging pets. It causes problems with memory, confusion, anxiety, and disorientation, much like Alzheimer's in humans. There are many different factors that cause dementia in pets, and it is associated with the buildup of certain proteins in the brain. Unfortunately, there is no cure, but there has been a lot of progress in research. Medications are now available that can help reduce some of the symptoms and may slow the progression of the disease, so ask your vet. You can also help your pet by keeping him fit and healthy, with lots of games to keep his brain active. What are the signs of dementia in pets? Although it is difficult to detect, there are some signs of dementia in pets, and they are the following: confusion or disorientation. Your pet could get lost in familiar places. Or he could be trapped in a room in your house because he has forgotten how to get out. Loss of toilet training. Your pet might start having accidents indoors or wanting to go to the bathroom at unusual times. In cats, they may forget where the litter tray is or forget where the cat flap is. Change in sleep pattern. Your pet may start to sleep a lot during the day but be more awake at night. Change in themselves. You may notice that your pet is not behaving like your pet. He may become more withdrawn and seem depressed, or even forget about family members and other pets. Memory loss. He may stop responding to familiar commands, forget things he has learned, and have difficulty learning new things. Change of activity. Your pet may stop being as active as before, or walk around and stare into space a lot. Changes in noise levels. You may notice that your pet is more vocal than usual, howling, barking or meowing, often for no clear reason and usually at night. Change in appetite. Your pet may suddenly stop eating as much. You can also start to eat a lot more if you forget that you have already eaten. What should you do if you think your pet has dementia? Dementia in pets can't be completely cured, but vets now have medications they can prescribe to help reduce some of the symptoms. You should take your pet to the vet for a proper diagnosis if you are concerned she has dementia and advice on how to manage your pet's condition. The sooner you start medication, the better, to try to control the disease. Some steps you can take to help your pet are as follows. Keep each room your pet is in as familiar as possible. Try not to move things around the house as this can confuse him. Don't get mad at your pet if he gets confused or has an accident, that is, he poops or pees in the house. Increase environmental cues, for example by keeping a radio on in a certain room that your pet goes to a lot to help him find his way. Keep interaction with family members a positive experience, even if your pet seems to have forgotten them. Provide him with lots of things to keep his brain active, like training, if he can handle it, or puzzle games. Gently retrain some things you may have forgotten, like where to go to the bathroom. Sometimes your vet may prescribe medications and supplements that support brain function for their diet or a special diet. Follow your veterinarian's advice and make sure your pet takes everything prescribed. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend, a hunt, and until the next video, thanks.